Hey there, welcome back friends. In our previous sections we have seen multiple things, which is cool stuff. Now moving forward we will see something very interesting, which is nothing but the use of Hibernate. So from this particular section we will start exploring a couple of more things, and later down the line we will also add the support of Hibernate in order to manipulate stuff. In order to add more flavors into our project, from this section we will handle files as well. So we will create a wonderful project where we will upload images first of all, and we will manage the images accordingly, and then later down the line we will also manipulate the information in the database by taking help of Hibernate. So interesting stuff is coming up. So without wasting any time, let us firstly create a new project. So we will create a new dynamic web project, and the name would be file upload form. Everything would be default, and we will not even make use of template. It would be simple plain project. Alright, so in here first of all let us create a index page. So let's create a new JSP file. The name would be index.jsp. that would be better. And now let us add in a form. Action would be image upload. We will create this particular servlet in couple of minutes, but we will give the name as image upload. Then method would be post, not get but post. And then we also have something known as encryption type, and the type would be multipart form data. This looks good. Then moving forward we will simply give a label select images, and in here it would be input tag, type would be file, right? Name would be files maybe, and we will allow multiple selection, so it would be multiple. And now finally let us also add in the submit button. So it would be input type equals submit, and we will give the value as upload. Now friends, there are couple of issues in here. First of all, in here there is a error. Then moving forward, this multiple word is giving undefined attribute issue, right? Now the reason being, we haven't configured our build path properly, and we have to add couple of jar files again. So first of all let us configure the build path real quick. Let me add in the external jars, which is Servlet API and JSP API. So that's one change. And then moving forward, we will make use of a jar by Apache, which is commons file upload jar. So again, let us navigate to Opera web browser and search for commons file upload. Now friends, there are multiple search results, and we will go with the search result by Maven. So let us click on this particular search result, and in order to get to this particular website, I have also added a redirector to our website, which is commons file upload. Now if you have any confusion how to get into this website, you can simply navigate to studyeasy.org/commons file upload and hit enter, and you would be redirected to this particular repository. Alright, now if we check the current version for Apache Commons is 1.3.2. This is the version which we will use. You can definitely use the later version based on your requirement. So in here we will quickly download this jar file. Apart from this jar, if we scroll down, there is this dependencies. One of the dependency is commons IO. Now this is very important. This is a compile time dependency. So we will click on this 2.2 link, and we would be able to download this particular jar again, which is Apache Commons IO jar. So let us also download this jar. Alright, so this will take a couple of seconds. My internet speed is rather very slow somehow. Now let me do one thing. Let me cut these two jar files which are on my desktop, and we will navigate to Eclipse, and now let me highlight our web content folder. Inside webinf folder we have this lib folder. Let me highlight this folder and paste these jar files. Alright, now friends, using these two jar files we would be able to code couple of interesting things, and we would be able to handle files accordingly. So interesting stuff is coming up. Alright, now first of all let us check whether this particular index.jsp file is working properly or not. Let me run this on the web server, and here is the output. Pretty cool stuff. Now let us quickly create a servlet by the name of image upload. So I will highlight this Java resources folder. Inside the src folder, let us quickly create a servlet. We will give the name as image upload, and package would be org.steadyz. Let us click on next. Now let us also uncheck do get method and constructor from superclass. Let us click on finish. Alright, and let us also get rid of all of these extra stuff from our servlet. Alright, so now things looks good, and now let us click on browse, and let us select one of the images which is there inside my pictures folder. Let us click on upload. Alright, so everything is working properly. The next step is handling the business logic inside this doPost method, which we will do in our next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.